Programming your 2001-2007 Toyota Highlander key fob is a straightforward DIY process. These models use a simple remote keyless entry system, allowing for manual programming without special tools. You'll need your key fob, the ignition key, and your Highlander. The process involves cycling the ignition key off, on, off, while pressing buttons on the fob in a specific timed sequence. For 2001 to 2003 models, cycle the key 5 times. 2004 to 2007 models may require 8 to 10 cycles. Listen for the door locks to cycle, indicating programming mode. Press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob to sync. This programs the fob's code into the car's ECU. Before starting programming, ensure your key fob is compatible with your Highlander's year and trim. OEM fobs operate at 314 MHz frequency. Common issues include dead batteries. Use CR2032 type and test voltage with a multimeter to ensure it's above 2.5 volts. If programming fails, electronic interference may be the cause. Perform the process in a quiet area away from other devices. If the car doesn't respond at all, the receiver module may be faulty and require professional replacement. Always reprogram fobs after battery changes or theft to reset security codes. Some owners use Bluetooth adapters to add smartphone control to older Highlanders for modern upgrades. For aftermarket fobs, ensure they match the OEM 314 MHz frequency. Different frequencies like 433 MHz may not be compatible.